Dran's Pokey Corner back again to open some more box.gg boxes. We're going to do my personal favorite, the Premium Alt Art box. I've gotten some really good stuff out of this one. It cost a lot. It's literally the most expensive box that they offer, but there's some really awesome stuff in here. Mainly it's all Sword and Shield alt arts. There's Giratina, Rayquaza, Gengar, pretty much any alt art you want. I don't see the Moonbryon in here, which is unfortunate, but yeah, there's some great stuff in here. So let's give it a couple spins and see if we get lucky. Oh, by the way, feel free to use my affiliate code if you want to try this out. It's Dran Cards, D-R-A-N Cards. Let's see. Will we get lucky? Oh, just missed the Giratina. It's so close. Do you see that? Oh, Ice Rider Calyrex. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. I'll take it. Let's go again. See if we get lucky. Two Ice Rider Calyrexes in a row. Okay. Well, that's something else. Maybe I need to do a stream with my brother again, because he was my good luck charm. Ah, Duraludon. I actually pulled this card physically from a pack, and I got so excited until I looked at how much it's worth. So Evolving Skies is really expensive to buy, you know, just get packs in general. Golurk, that's another one I've pulled from a pack. Also, I think Evolving Skies. Going again. Shadow Rider. I got both of the Calyrexes. Okay. So, we're going to go one again. Ooh, okay. Articuno. Nice. Very nice. More alt art action. I'll take it. I think I've got enough for 2 more boxes. Hey, you folks, my neighbors decided to be jerks and start blasting music for the end of the video here, so I just put a voiceover here to cover it up so I don't get copyright struck. Feel free to use my affiliate code, DRAN Cards, that's D-R-A-N Cards, if you want to get additional gems if you decide to try box.gg out. Thank you.